been in that frustrating situation where you're trying to peel a boiled egg and the shell just won't come off cleanly? Or perhaps you've experienced the disappointment of cutting into a boiled egg, hoping for a gooey, runny yolk, only to find it's been overcooked to a chalky solid. Today, we're going to remedy these common egg boiling pitfalls and guide you to egg boiling perfection. You see, boiling an egg might seem like a simple task, but it's actually a delicate process that requires a bit of finesse. The right tools, the freshest eggs, and careful timing all play crucial roles in achieving that dreamy, creamy yolk, or that perfectly set white. To begin, you'll need a pot, fresh eggs, a stove, and cold water. The freshness of the eggs is key. Fresh eggs have a more robust shell and a thicker inner membrane, making them less likely to crack during the boiling process. Now gently place the eggs in a pot. It's essential to be gentle to avoid cracking the shells. Fill the pot with cold water until it covers the eggs by about an inch. Cold water helps ensure the eggs heat evenly, reducing the risk of cracking. Now comes the boiling. This is where precision really comes into play. For a soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, boil for 4 to 5 minutes. For a medium-boiled egg with a slightly set yolk, boil for 6 to 7 minutes. And for a hard-boiled egg with a fully set yolk, boil for 9 to 12 minutes. Remember, these times can vary slightly based on factors like the size of the eggs and your altitude. Once the eggs have boiled, it's time to cool them. This is a crucial step in the process as it not only stops the cooking process, but also makes the eggs easier to peel. Simply place the eggs in a bowl of ice water until they're cool to the touch. Peeling the eggs can be a bit tricky, but with a little patience and the right technique, you can get a clean peel every time. A gentle tap on a hard surface to create a crack, followed by a roll to loosen the shell, works wonders. Now the fun part, serving your perfectly boiled eggs. Sprinkle them with a little salt and pepper, slice them onto a salad, or just enjoy them as a high-protein snack. The options are endless. So there you have it, the art of boiling eggs demystified. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every egg is a new opportunity to hone your skills. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, or if you have any egg boiling stories or questions, feel free to share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tutorials. Happy cooking and enjoy your perfectly boiled eggs.